Just stay away and you'll be safe
No,
from
Olaf.
me.
No, Olaf. No, Olaf. Olaf, stop.
Come on.
Anybody driving in this, we deserve to get hit. Cause what? Olaf, stop.
That she's about to say.
Olaf, stop talking. For real. She's singing.
Come on, my hand is cold.
We got carrots. I want to give him a carrot.
Just stay away and you'll be safe from me.
Actually, we're not.
What do you mean we're not?
Olaf!
What do you mean you're not?
I get the feeling you don't know.
What do I not know?
Oh, I gotta get over here. Aaron Johnson, deep, 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 deep snow.
What?
What's the word?
What?
You kind of set up an eternal winter everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
That's how-
It's okay. You can just unfreeze it.
No, I can't. I don't know how.
Sure you can. I know you can. Cause for the first time in forever,
I'm such a fool. I
you
can't
don't
be
have to
free.
be
Can't escape from the
afraid.
storm inside of me. That's
in
not the
forever.
word.
We can work this out together.
I can't control the curse.
To reverse the storm you made.
Honestly, you only make it worse. Don't panic.
My hands, stop, no.
Don't panic.
Okay. Don't panic.
There's no wait. I wasn't ready.
You'll make the sun bright.
Go.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Don't panic.
There's so much fear.
You make the sunshine bright.
You're not safe here.
We can work, make this work together.
Wait, what?
We can face this thing.
Together.
We can change this thing together.
I don't know. When do I start?
Mom,
Play your
girl,
own.
I have to outside for real.
Yeah.
Whenever.
Okay.
Can I make an Olaf?
Come on.
have
Go.
We can make this work together. We can change this winter weather.
Did I even hit you?
No.
Okay, we gotta do it again.
Wait.
What?
We can
Go.
make this work together.